And can we have the category on the screen for Swapnil to announce? Most innovative emerging technology implementation. And here comes the envelope. And the winner is
Winner is Unity Small Finance Bank Limited.
Congratulations to team Unity Small Finance Bank Limited. Accepting the award, we have the entire team of Unity Small Finance Bank with Mr. V. Vaidyanathan. Most innovative emerging technology implementation. Congratulations and few words from the winning team.
Thank you very much. We believe we are actually a fintech with a banking license. We're the country's youngest bank. Just got a license about 15 months ago. And why we're making waves. Very good. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to Unity Small.
I just want to add a few lines. What is this all about? While we replaced the core banking solution in 88 days flat, starting to finish, from the date of LOI to the day we went live. And the agreement alone takes 6 to 8 months. But this is like magic. And so thank you very much for the award.
Congratulations once again. Ladies and gentlemen, Unity Small Finance Bank Limited winning the award, Most Innovative Emerging Technology Implementation.